Okay, we're getting ready to start the wiring, and I've looked over the heaters. So you have this back piece or frame piece, and that goes kind of like this on the wall. So you have these two hangers that clip into here, kind of set into there. Here's one of them right here. So you screw these in, hitting the stud. Well, in my case, I don't have to worry about that because it's a beam. And then it hooks onto here and rests against that. And you have two of these. You hang them about a foot from the edge. And you can use this to get your measurements so they're nice and parallel with the ceiling. And then this is the top right here. Not the top, the face where the heat comes out of. And you have one wire going through the back like this. The other one is on the face. So we also have our boxes here. I'm going to use these as my junction boxes. I'm going to use the square. Both are deep for the heater, or for the thermostat. This is going to go over, we're doing it just like we did at Zehr Retreat, Lewistown. And then my heater, my thermostat will go into there. And it looks like to me we have the dryer breaker right here, which is that cable right there. So I think what I'll do is turn off everything to this box and remove that and put the other one in, or keep that wire and run it over to my first junction. That's the other option. So we still got to decide on that. But I'm going to start hanging, so it's going to be kind of tight. I need to go pretty close to that copper pipe there. And then the first one will end right in here. I'm going to have the thermostat right here, and then the next one will start, and then the third one will be down there. So they should fit. I may have to remove that box, move it up to the top there, but it should work. And remember, all this will be gone. This will all be changed. So I think we'll be good. I didn't want to put them on the other side because of the drain pipe that I had moved. Okay, I'm going to start hanging the hangers up, figuring out how high to put them, and then we'll set them on there and get our box in for the thermostat, and then I can start wiring to that.